Imagine being able to transform your professional life with your own hands, literally, without the need for large investments, expensive equipment, and using a technique that is highly sought after and valued in the market. Now, think, have you ever imagined working with something that not only generates income but also makes a difference in people's lives?
Reducing pain, improving self-esteem, bringing relief. All this while building an independent and promising career. If you want to discover how lymphatic drainage can be the opportunity you've been waiting for to start or specialize in a high-demand field, then watch this video until the end. You will understand why this profession is so transformative, how to get started even with limited resources, and, most importantly, how to turn it into a consistent and rewarding source of income. Let's dive in. I know how it feels. Deciding on a new profession or trying to improve your skills can be daunting. Sometimes you ask yourself, what if it doesn't work out? What if I waste my time and money, and in the end, it leads nowhere? Or maybe you've already started, but you feel like something is still missing to stand out and attract clients.
Lymphatic drainage is one of the most democratic and accessible techniques for those who want to enter the aesthetics or health market. It does not require large initial investments. All you need is training, dedication, and your hands. With well-directed learning, it's possible to start quickly and achieve results that truly impact your clients. You might be wondering how I'll find clients, especially with the market being so competitive.
The great advantage is that lymphatic drainage is a technique in high demand among a variety of people. Whether for aesthetic purposes, such as reducing cellulite and fluid retention, or for those needing assistance in post-surgery recovery, such as after liposuction. With proper training and simple marketing on social media, you can easily attract clients looking for quick and effective solutions. And the best part, the results are visible and speak for themselves, leading to word-of-mouth recommendations naturally. Another important point is that many beginner professionals believe they need to spend a fortune on equipment, luxurious spaces, or advertising campaigns to succeed. But the truth is, you can start with minimal investment. For manual lymphatic drainage, all you need is a massage table, clean towels, neutral oils or creams, and, of course, your skilled hands. This is one of the few niches where talent and technique matter far more than equipment.
You might also have concerns about your ability to provide quality service. After all, you're dealing with people's bodies and self-esteem. But here's a valuable tip. Learning and practice are your best allies. Start with a quality course that offers both theoretical and practical foundations. Then, practice with friends and family. Confidence builds over time, and with it, you realize how incredible the impact of your work on people's lives can be.
And don't worry, satisfied clients are the best business card you can have. Now, let's talk about the rewards of this profession. High demand is a reality. More and more people seek lymphatic drainage for aesthetic, health, and wellness purposes. Additionally, you have the flexibility to offer home visits, rent a space, or even partner with clinics and spas. The initial cost is low, especially with manual methods, and the personal satisfaction is immense. There's nothing more rewarding than seeing a happy client who feels better thanks to your help. If you've made it this far, it's because you know that the first step to success is deciding. Deciding to invest in yourself, deciding to learn a new skill or perfect the one you already have. Lymphatic drainage is not just a technique, it's an opportunity to change lives, including your own. Now, how about taking the next step? Enroll in a good course, practice, and promote your work. And remember, starting small is not a problem. The important thing is to start. Below is a link to an excellent training and improvement course called Brazilian Lymphatic Drainage. Click on the link and find out more. Did you like this video? Leave a like and share with someone who is also looking for a new profession or a way to improve their skills. Subscribe to the channel for more tips.